Morning, I've come to Adel Dam in Leeds. It's a nature reserve. I've come in search of kingfishers. I've been a few times before and hoping to get some this morning. So, I'm here with my mate Dave. Hello Dave.
Hello Andrew.
So, how's you fella?
Alright bad, not too bad, not too bad.
We missed you on the internet and it's about time you got back out on video. So, see what happens today, eh?
See what happens today, buddy.
Well, we've been in Little Hyde for 2 hours and no sign of the kingfisher, so we're going to have a wander down to Bigger Lake and see if we have any joy there. What do you think of it so far, Dave?
Oh, the bollocks! No, nothing, there's been nothing. That's the thing with wildlife, it's a case of they're either there or they're not there, and you can't really plan for them, so you just get what you get.
You do. It's wildlife, it's unpredictable. We've come back to the first hide, the second hide, there were a few people in it and we couldn't see the kingfisher. It was the other side of the lake, so we've decided to come back to the small one. Here it is. Well, we've been to Adel Dam. We've been trying to get some birds in flight, haven't we, Dave?
Yeah, failed miserably.
It's one of the hardest things to do with photography, I think, because they're so unpredictable. And so, what are we doing now? We're heading back?
Going home because I need to do some shopping. It's Saturday. And,
Shopping?
Yeah, shopping.
Yeah. Shopping.
Shopping. happy. Has
Yeah.
to be done.
Anyone would think you were a woman?
She had a woman. I don't. Sod it, no. I don't.
Yeah.
Mind you, actually, if you're single and you're looking for a fella and you like what you see, it may be.
Bloody hell, it's turned into a dating channel.
Well, we are young, free and single. I know
Yeah.
I am recently separated and I'm not going back there, so yeah, I am free.
So, we're going to head home and I'll catch you on the flip side.
On the flip side.
So Dave, you had a good day?
Had a good, very good day, Andrew. Yeah, you?
Yeah, not bad. Yeah, been nice to get out again.
Sure is.
So after we left Adel Dam, we went to Harewood for the red kites. It's a little place, it's a car park just outside Harewood House. It's a place called Muddy Boots Cafe. They do a nice brew and a bit of snap, and the birds come down outside. People throw food on the garage roofs, and the red kites, they all come swooping down. Very hard to photograph, aren't they, Dave?
Extremely difficult to photograph.
So have you filmed out for a vlog today?
No,
No.
no. People are going to have to wait a little longer.
Yeah. So, ha ha ha.
Yeah, one will come. Just might be next week instead. And home.
Right, Dave. Been a laugh. Been a laugh.
It's always a laugh, buddy.
Always
a laugh.
Always a laugh.
Now I've got to go do some shopping.
I'll catch you on the flip side.